Hello, beautiful souls. Feelings are many, but words are few. Clouds are dark, but sky is blue. Love is a paper, life is glue. Everything is false, only my love is true. Perfect definition of love to give someone the complete authority to destroy you, but at the same time being confident that he or she will never do it. Memories are sweeter than meetings, my dear. How far away the person is, their memories will be so close. So love to miss the person whom you like the most. It takes a strong heart to love. It takes a stronger heart to continue, my baby. To love after it has been hurt. Can't come to earth but sends love is race, my dear. Clouds can't come to river, so send love is rains. Smiley, I can't come to you now, so sending my care is SMS. Please take care if you fall in love. Send words, I will come. I will come if I am alive, or if I am not, my dear. I will come through. I will come through your tears, my dear, my darling. Through your feelings, and through your dreams. If you fall in the river, there boat. If you fall in whale, there is rope. But if you fall in love, there is no hope, my dear. Then love carefully each other, my dear.